Welcome to Kingston Stomp's Corner. Let's discover and play. It is a beautiful day for everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kingston.
And I'm Miss Riss.
And today we're going to be making a volcano kit. It's really exciting. I'm really excited. How about you, Mom?
I'm actually really excited because it has been a minute since I've done a volcano kit. And this is one of those STEM kits. So if you're into science and math and technology, and if you just want to do something that's a little bit more educational and fun, we got something. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we got to start to break
I can
this
open it.
You are going to open it?
I'm going to open it.
Okay. That's going to be some good what is it? ASMR?
Yeah, ASMR.
All right, you want to do the honors?
Mm-hmm. So cool.
Oh, wow. Look at all this stuff that it comes with.
So we have these like trees, colorful trees, and dinosaurs.
This is absolute resin, baking soda, and citrus acid. So we're gonna need this, and this is gonna help us make our magma, and the baking soda, and then the absolute resin. Oh, and it even comes with some dye.
Ooh, red dye. That's cool.
And it comes with a nice little nifty spoon. And you know how I like storage things, so everything's together. Oh, wow. Okay.
Here's the volcano. Okay,
and then there's also this mold of some sort.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure, but I'm sure the instructions will tell us what to do with it. Oh, it comes with a handy dandy paintbrush, and I'm sure it will tell us what that is as well. Pull out my handy dandy scissors. So I guess what do you want to do? Do you want to do snow or do you want to do volcano?
Snow.
Snow?
It sounds interesting.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna do the snow volcano eruption. So I think this is the one that we need. Yeah. It says, water absorbing resin is a new type of functional polymer material. It has the ability to absorb water several hundred times heavier than itself and has an excellent water retention properties. Oh, and has excellent water retention properties.
Cool.
The reaction between its acidity of the citric acid and the alkalinity of the baking soda generates a large amount of gas that generates the water absorption effect and the absorbent resin, thus creating a snow eruption effect. All right, so if you're a parent who does not want mess, you can go ahead and get like a container or something that you can put the mold in. Otherwise, feel free to be creative and messy. So, do we want to decorate?
Sure.
There we go. And then did you want to use any of those?
This one looks cool. I'm going to use a little green dinosaur.
There you go.
It looks like I don't know which one it looks like.
It reminds me of, there was a movie called The Land Before Time that Mommy used to watch. All millennials watched it as a kid. And it reminds me of Ducky, but I forgot what Ducky was. All right, now we're going to take a spoonful of the citric acid. Let's go to the one first. Here we go. The citric acid. This is where you're going to need an adult. You're going to need a parent or a grandparent or a supervisor, someone who is responsible. Okay, get me a spoonful of that and let's put it in the middle. Now I'm following the directions because this is a science experiment. So you want to make sure, you want to make sure you're following the instruction as they give you. So you do a spoonful of that. Okay. Next, we are going to do a spoonful of the baking soda.
Baking soda.
Scoop of that.
That good?
Yeah, there you go.
There. Baking soda. Let's get out.
2 spoonfuls of the absorbent resin. Spoon, and it says 2 spoonfuls.
2
spoonfuls, yep.
1,
2, and 2. Perfect. Wonderful. You did a great job.
Thanks.
Okay. And now that we placed it in the center, we are going to pour a prepared water. Slowly, it says, into the crater.
Slowly.
And observe the effect and make sure that the snow follows the water out.
Oh.
It's okay that it got on the table. Oh, look, it's starting to kind of
it's starting to fizzle.
Here, I think we need to do a little bit more.
Okay, guys, it just started fizzling.
Yeah, so as much as it says slowly, but you got to keep it going, and it will start to erupt. Ooh. There we go. It's fizzling. It's kind of pushing it out. So, ooh.
Ooh, that was a little too much, I think.
It's okay. Oh, look, there's some more of the... Here. Hit it down there. Hit it down there with some water. Well, as cool as this is, it's not... Oh, well, there we go.
Oh,
there we go.
There we go. It's so cool.
And it's alive! Bubble, 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 bubble.
It's so cool.
So this is the icy ancient mountain of...
I feel like it's Antarctica because it's a snow. What?
I would love it to see like a black mountain like that with snow on top. That would probably look so cool. I'd be scared if there was a dinosaur though.
Yeah. It's like, it feels like applesauce.
Yeah, it does. It does feel... You know what it actually feels like? It feels like the stuff that's in Zodian's diaper. But it does feel like applesauce. Do not eat this, folks. Keep this away from any numbling toddlers. Ours is taking a nap because of this. I actually kind of like it more when it's down in the...
Yeah.
It feels kind of fun.
Well, maybe I can put some of this into there.
You think? You want to scoop
Yeah.
it? It does look icy. Like, this does actually kind of look icy. What do you think about this one? How do you rate this?
I would rate this maybe a 7.
7.
It didn't like do it that much, but it was cool. It was pretty cool.
Yeah, I'd give it a 6. It was cool in its way.
Yeah.
I kind of like this after effect. It looks really, really cool. It said if you put a little bit more, it will give it more of a snowy effect, but I think it would just make it more messy.
I'm trying to clean it up.
All right. Well, we're going to take just a break just to clean this up, and we'll do the volcano eruption next. Sounds good.
And we're back. So we are gonna be doing the
volcano eruption.
So we have these tools from earlier. Just gonna open those up. These up.
And we're gonna take the jewel digging tool, and you're gonna go into the middle, and you're gonna try to make it a little bit deeper. So you're gonna dig into the middle.
So first up, what you want to do is you want to dig into the middle.
Oh wow, that's kind of, it's not easy. It's making you work, girl.
It's kind of easy.
So volcanoes, they take so many years, thousands and thousands of years to develop. And underneath, they have these like funnels that go down to the core of the earth. And underneath the Earth's surface, there is molten rock, which is basically like this hot rock soup that's got all this boiled hot water and plasma-y stuff with rocks.
Is there a gem in here?
There should be. There might be.
I see. It's like I feel one. I feel like I'm getting the gem. It's because I am.
But you don't want to go too far down. You just want to make it so it's big enough that we can put more of the stuff in it. I feel like that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Pretty deep for now?
Yeah,
all right.
Deep.
All right, next step is we're going to grab our water. And I'm going to have you do...
Put the dye in?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, we've got our handy gloves on for safety.
So I'm just going to do 3, right?
You can do 3 or 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, let's see. Maybe let's take this and swirl it around. You swirl. I feel like it can be redder than that.
Yeah, it's like pink.
Ooh.
Oh.
Swirl that.
It's like orange a little bit.
Should we do a little bit more? There is quite a lot in here. Boop, boop, boop.
Yeah, I feel like that's a lava red.
Is that lava red? Is that good lava red?
Yeah, it looks like lava red to me.
Okay. Lava red it is. Now that we have that prepared and she's dug out the little part, it says we can decorate the surroundings. So let's get our trees. I've got 2 other...
I might add both.
There we go. Okay. So now with this one, we're gonna get our handy dandy spoon. And we're gonna get the citric acid. And it says you are going to do a spoonful of this. All
So I'm
right.
just gonna get this.
Yep, 1 scoop of the citric acid.
Put it in.
Yep. And then we're gonna do 1 scoop of the baking soda.
1 scoop of the baking soda.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so now that we have that, it says pour the prepared red pigment water into the crater. It says you don't need much, just 2 to 3 times, whatever that means. And then you'll observe the effects.
See what happens. Whoa!
It's alive. It's alive.
Whoa. Whoa.
And the dinosaurs are safely out of reach.
Yep. They're far away from the lava now. It's like fizzling, like soda.
Oh, that's what's happening underneath. Basically a volcano, you know how like when we have soda and we shake it and then you open it and it explodes everywhere? That's basically what's happening with a volcano. So if there's like an earthquake or if the tectonic plates kind of shake a little bit, that's what's happening. Underneath it's going shake, 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 shake. And the molten lava gets all like gumbled up in its rock soup, you know? And there's gas bubbles and then it goes, I can't handle it. And then all of a sudden it goes, psh, and then we get to see that. Yeah, let's do it one more time. One more
You might need 2 scoops this time.
You think 2 scoops?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be daring.
2 scoops.
I'll do a scoop.
And I'll do
you do a scoop. We're being adventurous in our lab. All right.
Your turn.
My turn. And then we'll get in here and get this last little scoop.
It's not if it goes down because that means it's going to be bigger.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Well, it's kind of like snow a little bit, like red snow at the top. Ooh.
There you go. It's bubbling a lot more this time with this last one.
Ooh.
So if you're daring, you can do 2 scoops.
Ooh.
That one like really shot out and went far.
Yeah.
All right. So what do you rate this?
Maybe like a 6.
You think this is a 6? You thought the other thing was a 7 and this is a 6?
Well, the other one, it came like more as snow a little bit, and this one, it's kind of like just like water a little bit.
So you like that it had more of a texture like snow than how this is more like runny and not as like slimy and hot liquidy lava. All right.
There's supposed to be gems inside, right?
Well, it's once we break it apart. You take the little chisel and then we break this apart and inside is gems. This is called a geode, like some stones where they just look like ugly rocks, but then when you crack them open, there's beautiful, beautiful gems in them, precious gems. So, all right, so this one was a 6 and the ice was a 7.
Actually, I give this one a 7.
This one a 7 too, so they're both 7s.
Yeah.
I give this one a 7 and I give the other one a 6. But this was a fun activity. Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Would you do it with this kit? Would you recommend this kit?
Yeah.
I'd recommend this kit. This is a good beginner kit.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, well, we are going to start our cleanup and probably maybe like tear this apart. Maybe you'll see another video of that. And until next time,